Good morning, Helen. Thanks for meeting.
Morning, Jane. Ready to discuss salary?
Yes, I'd like to know details.
Sure. Our range is competitive and fair.
What is the starting monthly salary?
It starts at $4,500 per month.
Does it include bonuses or incentives?
Yes, performance bonuses are included annually.
Are there any healthcare benefits offered?
Yes, we provide full health coverage.
What about retirement contributions or plans?
We offer 401k matching up to 5%.
How often are salary reviews conducted?
Reviews happen annually with possible increase.
Is there flexibility for remote work?
Yes, remote work is allowed weekly.
Can I negotiate salary based on experience?
Absolutely. Please share your previous achievements.
I managed a team of 10 people.
That experience can increase your starting salary.
Thank you. I'd love to join here.
We're excited to have you on board.
Hi Helen, can we talk briefly?
Sure, John. What's on your mind?
I'd like to discuss my salary.
Okay. Tell me your thoughts clearly.
I've increased sales by 20% recently.
That's impressive. Your efforts are noticed.
I believe a raise is justified.
Can you suggest a salary increase?
I'd like $5,000 more per year.
Let me review your recent performance.
I also trained 3 new team members.
That's valuable contribution to the company.
I consistently meet all quarterly targets.
I see. This strengthens your case.
I appreciate your consideration and time.
I'll discuss this with HR tomorrow.
When can I expect feedback?
By Friday, I'll provide a formal answer.
Thank you, Helen. I'm grateful.
Thanks for being professional and prepared.
Hey, Jane, do you track spending?
Yes, I manage a monthly budget.
How do you plan expenses each month?
I list income, bills, and savings.
Do you use any budget apps?
Yes, apps help track every transaction.
What about unexpected expenses or emergencies?
I keep a separate emergency fund.
How much do you save monthly?
Around 20% of my total income.
Do you invest part of savings?
Yes, some in stocks and mutual funds.
How do you handle credit card bills?
I pay them in full monthly.
Any tips for reducing monthly costs?
Track subscriptions and cut in used services.
Do you plan for yearly holidays?
Yes, I allocate a travel budget.
How about groceries and household items?
I make a list and stick strictly.
Do you use cash or digital payments?
Mostly digital for easy tracking records.
Thanks, Jane. I'll start budgeting today.
Great, small steps improve financial health. Hi Helen, can we discuss my goals?
Sure, Jane. What are your priorities?
I want to save for retirement early.
Great. Do you have a target amount?
Yes, $500,000 by age 55.
How much can you invest monthly?
Around $1,200 from my salary.
Are you comfortable with stock investments?
Yes, I prefer a mix of stocks.
Consider mutual funds for steady growth too.
Should I include emergency savings first?
Absolutely. At least 6 months of expenses.
I also plan to buy a house.
We can calculate how much down payment.
I want to travel twice a year.
Then we should budget separate travel funds.
How about short-term goals like gadgets?
Allocate a small monthly discretionary fund.
Should I track all expenses carefully?
Yes, monitoring ensures you meet your goals.
Can I adjust goals if income increases?
Definitely. Reassess yearly for better planning.
Thanks, Helen. This plan feels realistic.
You're welcome. Smart planning leads to success.
Good morning, Tina. I need help.
Morning, Sarah. What service do you need?
I want to open an international bank account.
Sure. Do you have valid identification?
Yes, here's my passport and visa.
Great. Do you want a savings or checking account?
I prefer a checking account for daily transactions.
Any initial deposit planned for this account?
Yes, I will deposit $2,000 initially.
Will you need online banking services too?
Absolutely, online access is very important.
Do you want a debit card issued?
Yes, and also a linked credit card.
Are you familiar with international transfer fees?
A little. Please explain these fees.
Transfers abroad have 1 to 2% service charges.
Can I link my account with my home bank?
Yes, most accounts allow international linking.
How long will the account setup take?
Usually 2 business days for approval.
Are there monthly maintenance fees?
Yes, $10 per month, optional with minimum balance.
Thank you, Tina. I'm ready to proceed.
Perfect. Let's complete the paperwork now.
Hi, Jim. I need debt advice.
Hello, John. What kind of debt is it?
Mostly credit card and small personal loans.
How much do you owe in total?
Around $12,000 including interest rates.
Do you have a monthly repayment plan?
Yes, but interest makes it hard.
We can create a debt repayment strategy.
Should I focus on high-interest loans first?
Exactly. Prioritize loans with highest interest rates.
Can I consolidate my loans for simplicity?
Yes, debt consolidation may reduce monthly payments.
What about negotiating lower interest with banks?
Definitely. Banks often agree if requested politely.
Is it safe to use a loan calculator?
Yes, it helps plan repayment timelines clearly.
Should I avoid taking new loans now?
Absolutely. Focus on reducing current debt first.
How long until I become debt-free?
With discipline, around 18 to 24 months.
Can I still save while repaying debt?
Yes, keep a small emergency fund.
Any tips to prevent future debt problems?
Track expenses and create a monthly budget.
Thanks, Jim. I feel more confident now.
You're welcome. Smart planning reduces financial stress.
Hi, Helen, any tips for saving money?
Hi, Sarah. Yes. Start with a budget.
How detailed should my budget be?
Track income, expenses, and discretionary spending.
Should I cut any subscriptions?
Yes, cancel unused or unnecessary services.
What about groceries and daily shopping?
Make a list and stick strictly.
Can I save with online deals?
Definitely, check coupons and cashback offers.
How much should I save monthly?
At least 20% of your income.
Is it smart to use a savings app?
Yes, apps track spending and goals.
What about automatic savings transfers?
Very effective. Set weekly or monthly transfers.
Can I still enjoy small treats?
Yes, allocate a small fund budget.
Should I plan for emergency savings too?
Absolutely, Keep 3 to 6 months' expenses.
How do I avoid impulse purchases?
Wait 24 hours before buying anything.
Can investing help me save smarter?
Yes, small investments grow over time.
Any final money saving advice?
Track everything and review monthly. Stay disciplined.
Hi Helen, can we talk about credit cards?
Sure, Jane. What do you want to know?
How do I choose the right card?
Look for low interest and good rewards.
What's a typical credit limit for beginners?
Usually $1,000 to $5,000 depending on income.
Can I increase my credit limit later?
Yes, with responsible payments and good history.
How often should I pay the balance?
Always pay monthly to avoid high interest.
Should I use the card for daily expenses?
Yes, but keep spending below 30% limit.
What are cash advances and fees?
High interest, usually avoid unless urgent.
Are rewards points worth it?
Yes, if you pay the balance fully.
How do I monitor my credit score?
Use bank apps or credit monitoring services.
Can late payments affect my limit?
Definitely, it can reduce your credit score.
Should I have multiple credit cards?
Only if you can manage responsibly.
Any tips to avoid overspending?
Track purchases and set monthly alerts.
How do I cancel a credit card?
Contact the bank and pay remaining balance.
Thanks, Helen. I feel more confident now.
You're welcome. Smart credit management helps finances.
Hi Bill, I want to start investing.
Great, Jane. What are your financial goals?
I want long-term growth for retirement.
Do you prefer stocks, bonds, or funds?
I'm open to a mix of stocks.
Mutual funds are good for beginners too.
How much should I invest monthly?
Around 10 to 20% of your disposable income.
Are ETFs different from mutual funds?
Yes, ETFs trade like stocks on exchanges.
Is investing risky for someone new?
Some risk exists, but diversification helps.
How can I start with low risk?
Focus on index funds and blue chip stocks.
Should I monitor investments daily?
Weekly or monthly is enough for beginners.
What about dividends and returns?
Reinvest dividends for better long-term growth.
Can I invest with a small budget?
Yes, many apps allow small monthly investments.
Should I consider international stocks too?
Yes, it spreads risk across markets.
Any tips to avoid investment mistakes?
Research, diversify, and don't panic sell.
Thanks, Bill. I feel ready to invest.
Smart planning today ensures financial security tomorrow.
Hi, Steve, I had an unexpected expense.
Hello, Sarah. What happened exactly?
My car broke down suddenly last night.
That can be costly. How much?
Around $1,200 for repairs and parts.
Do you have an emergency fund?
Yes, but it's only $500 currently.
Then we need a short-term solution.
Should I use my credit card now?
Yes, but pay it off quickly.
Can I adjust my monthly budget temporarily?
Absolutely. Cut discretionary spending this month.
Should I delay other planned expenses?
Yes, like travel or luxury purchases.
Can I negotiate repair costs with the shop?
Definitely. Ask for discounts or installment options.
Is it smart to use personal loans?
Only if interest rates are low.
How do I rebuild my emergency savings?
Allocate a portion of each paycheck.
Can insurance help with future emergencies?
Yes, check coverage for cars or health.
Should I track all emergency spending carefully?
Yes, it helps prevent future surprises.
Thanks, Steve. I feel more prepared now.
Smart planning reduces financial stress and risk.